In this video, I will discuss 5 easy steps to becoming a millionaire. Coming up! Hi, Tim with Quantum Financial, bringing you the best investments and helping you make most of your money grow and outlive your lifestyle with a focused approach. On this show, we do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Being a millionaire comes with lots of perks. Being able to pay the electric bill, driving a car with less than 200,000 miles on it, going on vacation whenever you feel like it. But for many, and I'm one of them, it seems like it's an unattainable reality. Here's the truth. Becoming a millionaire isn't hard as you think it is. Requires a little hard work and dedication. Developing a financial plan. Setting your goals and planning how to reach them is essential in nearly all of life adventures. Many people fail to plan for their financial future. Writing out a plan can help you prioritize what you want to accomplish and ensure that you stay the course, even when times are tough. Start saving early. Retirement may be decades away, but it's never too early to start saving. In fact, the earlier to start, the less painful it will be. If you start at age 35, you will have to put away roughly 16 to 20% of your yearly income. But if you start at 25, that number drops to only 10 to 12%. Look for opportunities in the near more income. It's easier to make more money if you make more money. In today's society, where many people can't even pay their monthly bills, the minimum isn't going to cut it. There are countless earnings opportunities to help you with your journey, from starting your own business, working as a lucrative side business. Take advantage of the 401k matching. There's nothing worse than leaving free money behind. If you're not taking advantage of the employee's 401k matching contributions, that's exactly what you're doing, leaving it behind. Employees will typically offer a match for your contributions up to a certain percentage of your income, say 6%, so it can add up. My employer, I was contributing in 2018 at 3%, but now they raised that match to 6%, so I will raise my contributions to 6% this year. Live below your means. Nothing is wrong with driving a beat-up old car, even if it means saving more for retirement. Most wealthiest people in the world are extremely frugal savers. Avoid credit cards, think about clipping coupons, and skip those trendy design shoes. Living modest lives help you avoid debt and help you save more money. Please leave a smash like button of what you thought of this video. Thank you for watching my video. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, I will see you later.